step to remove the bottom of the float chamber. Now this carburetor sat with gas in it for about 3 years. So what's happened is the pilot jet is clogged and the float valve is clogged. So I'll be replacing the pilot jet and the float valve. I'll also be replacing the floats just because I have it off. In order to take the float out, very carefully remove this pin. It just slides in, there's nothing really holding it in. Slide the float out from under the wire on the float pin. Remove your float pin. The 10mm socket. Remove the float valve. I like to leave an extension on there to use as a handle. Then with a screwdriver that fits perfectly, anything that does not fit perfectly, you'll probably mess up your jet. You're going to remove the pilot jet. Repeat those steps for the other side, the other carburetor. First, to reinstall the float valve. Here's the new float valve. Little filter just sticks right on the end of it. It comes separately. And to make sure you have your washer on there. Next, your float pin, then your float, pin that holds the float, that's all you have to do with the float. It's the pilot jet. Now that carburetor is rebuilt. If you repeat that steps on the other carburetor, put the float cover back on, and you're good to go. This is Untitled. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this helps. Subscribe if you want to see more.